Okay, so with this one here, we've got a rectangle with a circle that's been cut out, okay, been removed. And then we want the distances of the center of mass of the lamina from AD and AB. So think of like AB as like your x-axis and your AD as your y-axis. So what I'm going to do to start with, well, let's work out the mass, shall we? The mass now is just based on the area of the rectangle. So rectangle, well, it's 10 across, isn't it? And 12 up. So 12 times 10 is 120. Okay, so literally area of a rectangle, that's all, length times width, sorted. With the circle then, okay, we need to work out the area of that. Okay, now it's not clear on there what the radius is, but if you look up here, it says radius 3, right? And if you remember for a circle, formula is pi r squared. Okay, so you just got to remember that for the exam, pi r squared. So that would be, in this case, if the radius is 3, it would be pi times 3 squared, won't it? Okay, which is 9 pi. Now I would leave it like that, right? I wouldn't work out what 9 pi is on my calculator. I would just leave it to be 9 pi for the moment, and we'll sort that out later. Now the resulting lamina, of course, is the rectangle take away the circle, isn't it? Because the circle's been cut out. So the resulting weight will be 120 take away 9 pi. If that makes sense. And of course, where the centre of gravity is, well, we don't know. So x bar, y bar. But then, of course, for the rectangle, okay, we can write down the centre of gravity, because the rectangle is easy, isn't it? You just go halfway along the length, so that'll be 5. And of course, then halfway up, so that'll be 6. Same then for the circle. The circle's going to be in the centre, isn't it? The circle's going to be right in the centre of the circle there. So it says to go across 4, doesn't it? And up 7. So that'll be 4, 7. So all they're going to do then, set that up, take moments there. We'll start off by taking moments about the y-axis, okay, or AD. So we take moments about AD. Okay, so then we've got the overall centre of mass, which I don't know where it is, but suppose it was there, say. Well, you want that distance, don't you? That distance there from the centre of gravity to the AD, so you want that x bar, don't you? Okay, so it'd be 120 is the weight, take away 9 pi, leave it like that, times that then by x bar, and then that will equal then 120, the rectangle, times then the horizontal, whatever it is, the horizontal distance across, which is going to be 5, of course. So you've got it there. I put plus, but I should put minus, shouldn't I? I should put minus because we cut out the circle, didn't we? So be careful of that. Taking away the circle, so the area is 9 pi, and times then by the distance from the AD, which is 4. Okay, so then I get 120 minus 9 pi x bar, okay, equals to, well, that would be 600 take away, and 9 pi times 4 is 36 pi. So you can see I haven't worked out pi yet. What I can do now is all this in one go on my calculator. 600 minus 36 pi all over 120 minus 9 pi. So I can do this in one go on my calculator. Okay, so take that over and divide. So if I get my calculator, 600 take away 36 pi over then 120 take away 9 pi, and I get my answer to be 5.3, what do they want? 3 decimal places, 0.8. Okay, so that's my x bar. So I'll write it there as well. Okay. Then to get the y bar, to see where it is in terms of the distance, you've got to take out moments about AB, yeah? Well, the x-axis, so to speak. So moments about AB, okay? Well, remember now the overall lamina, 120 take away 9 pi, times then the height, which is y bar, equals then the rectangle, which is 120, times then the height, which is 6, and then take away then the circle, which is 9 pi, the weight of the circle, take it away because it's been cut out, times then the height, which is 7. So this becomes 120 minus 9 pi y bar, and that will equal, well, that will be 720, won't it? And that will be 63 pi. So to get y bar then, you do 720, take away 63 pi, all over 120, take away 9 pi, you get your answer. So do that on my calculator in one go. And I get out 5.692 to 3 decimal places.